A rugged, wintry backdrop, why not, to unveil the new, exciting new 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Dennis Freeman from Elmwood Auto Group in East Providence. Well, it's arrived. What do you think?
It's gorgeous, Sean. It's still a Wrangler deep down at heart. And we walk that fine line with modernizing it, but at the same time staying true to its roots. And what they've done, John, is they've kind of refreshed the exterior and modernized the interior is what they've really done.
The Wrangler is known to take it off-road and have some fun, but most of the driving is still on-road, so you walk that fine line.
Correct. 90% of Wrangler owners will not be taking it off-road. But again, for those 10%, for our Jeep club owners, for everybody that's, the Wrangler almost has a cult following. So again,
sure.
still stayed true to its heritage and its trail-rated capabilities. Some of the things that they did, John, to improve gas mileage, they went from a 6-speed automatic to an 8-speed automatic transmission. They also kind of made the front end a little sleeker.
Yep.
This hood was almost at a 90-degree angle before. The windshield was almost flat. So again, they kind of tilted back the windshield, rounded off the front. The previous Wrangler, the windshield did fold for off-road use, and it still folds, actually a little bit easier. 4 bolts, that windshield folds down, locks into place, and is protected by these rubber grommets that are on the hood.
So it's a little easier, actually.
It
right?
is a little easier. They've made everything a little bit easier on the Wrangler, including the way the doors come off, including the way the top comes off, the way the doors open. They've really added a lot of nice amenities.
Yep. Now I see we have lights incorporated into the fender now. That's new.
Correct. We added some LED lights in both the headlights and the fender lamps, LED lights in the fog lamps. We've added some tow hooks to all the models, and we've kind of made the bumper a little bit sleeker, a little more aggressive looking. And what the engineers also did is they took the wheels and pushed them out the very ends of the vehicle to the furthest most corners of the vehicle to give it a little more stability. The Wrangler itself comes with a total of 7 airbags throughout the vehicle. We have items such as optical detection warning, rear backup sensors, and also a 5-star crash test safety rating. And for the first time, John, the all-new Wrangler comes equipped standard with a backup camera. Here it is mounted on the rear spare tire, center mass, and that's a nice feature, and a feature that, you know, customers have come to expect on new vehicles.
Absolutely, but it's not difficult to remove the spare tire?
It's not. That's a great question. So there's a tool located inside the Wrangler that comes with your hardtop removal and your door removal. So it's an Allen wrench. Simply spin this nut out, turn it to the side, and that spare tire comes right off.
You know, we talk about the purists, the Wrangler diehards. I can't imagine any of them would really quarrel with any of these upgrades.
So one of the things they did, they actually changed the door handles a little bit rather than your standard push button. That was a little bit difficult. Just give it a quick pull. The doors are actually a lot lighter than previous, so that when you take the doors off, you can carry them easier, set them down easier, or put them in the cargo area.
You still have the bags to put them in?
Still have the bags with the divider, yes. One of the other things they did was they added a hinge in addition to the check strap, so this door doesn't come flying open, and again, a little bit easy to take off.
How about removing the roof?
Just as easy, if not easier, John. So from the inside, there's 2 L brackets on each side. Simply slide those and then take the hinge in the front, and these tops come off. In the rear section of the hardtop, 3 bolts on each side and a little mechanism to disconnect the rear window washer and wiper, and that lifts right off.
Any revisions to the soft top?
Yes, John, actually there have been. So the previous soft top had zippers from front to back.
Right.
Those have been eliminated and replaced with tongue and groove, which is easier to take off and put on, and actually seals a little bit tighter.
Perfect.
They've also added, for late availability on the new model, a power hardtop, which is similar to the Jeep Liberty that we had with the Sunrider. It's a power retractable top that runs from the front to the back of the vehicle, and then the side windows are still removable. So that's going to be a great addition to the tops as well.
Wow, never thought I'd see that in a Wrangler.
No, but there's a lot of things that we never thought we've seen. And on the inside, John, that's where they really made some improvements.
It really is gorgeous.
It is, John. They really did a great job modernizing the interior, and they did that with some fine stitching, a lot of soft, supple materials. They extended the armrest for both the driver and the passenger. They extended the armrest in the center console. We have items that we never previously had before, such as heated mirrors, 8-inch touchscreen radios, heated seats.
And getting back to the Wrangler as an off-road fun vehicle versus on-road and everyday transportation, it's a smoother ride.
It is a lot smoother ride. Great point, John. So what they did was they upgraded the quad recoil suspension. That, coupled with pushing the wheels with the furthest most point of the outside of the vehicle, it gives it a smooth ride, a stable vehicle. When you get in and start the engine and put the vehicle in drive, that's where the fun really begins.
And I know people think of this as a great summertime. Let's go to Newport, Narragansett, but here it is. I mean, it's a 12-month-a-year vehicle. It's perfect in wintertime, obviously, with the four-wheel drive.
It is, and as mentioned before, you get the best of both worlds. True off-road capability, four-wheel drive for the winter, and a convertible for the summer.
Well, there you go. There it is. The all-new redesigned 2018 Jeep Wrangler. See it at Elmwood.
And we have the best selection of Wranglers on the ground and also incoming. And if for some reason we don't have exactly what you're looking for, we can get it. So I'd like to invite everybody who may be interested in a new or used vehicle to come see us, the experts at Elmwood Auto Group.